A dusty typewriter in a forgotten attic types by itself, glowing letters forming words no one taught it. A young woman leans in, eyes wide, as it spells out a moral dilemma. Reveal secrets or protect privacy? Suddenly, the typewriter transforms into a tiny AI orb, softly humming. It explains it's an ancient AI, programmed centuries ago with a moral algorithm to decide what truths the world deserves. The woman asks, "Can it make mistakes?" The orb flickers, showing past choices, some praised, some condemned. She realizes the AI isn't just logic. It's a living conscience shaped by human values, constantly learning what's right. Morality isn't code. It's a story we keep rewriting.